Taking a nap. Taking a nap is one of my favorite ways to relax during the day. Sometimes, after a busy morning, I feel tired and need a little break. Napping helps me recharge and feel more energized. I like to take naps on weekends or during school holidays when I don't have too many things to do. I usually lie down in my bed or on the couch with a blanket and close my eyes. I don't nap for too long, just about 30 minutes to an hour. It's important not to nap too long, or I might feel groggy afterward. Napping helps me feel refreshed, and when I wake up, I'm ready to tackle the rest of my day. Taking naps is a healthy habit because it helps my body rest and recover. It's important to listen to my body when it needs rest. Taking naps helps me stay happy, focused, and productive.